welcome back. So I hope you're all doing well, having a great day. I was very busy. I should say we were very busy over Thanksgiving weekend here in Canada. Was our Thanksgiving day yesterday. So it was time to harvest our meat chickens, which was a white rock cross. We had 21 of them, and we did pretty good. So I cooked 4. So I got, I think, 26 broths, which this stuff is amazing when you're not feeling good, when it's soups or any kind of meals, you need some chicken stock. This is good stuff. So I did that, and then I ended up with 14 jars of canned chicken, which is yummy. And then I have 17 nice looking whole birds for the freezer. And then say when I cook a whole chicken, I'll save the carcasses, throw them in the freezer, and then when I get 4 bones and carcasses, I'll make some more broth. So this video, I'm going to show you all the stations, but I'm not going to show you the actual whole thing with the birds. I'll just explain what the stations do. It's not my, I don't enjoy doing it, and I'm just glad it's over, to be honest. So, if you want to see that part, there are thousands of videos out there that will show you the actual dispatch of the chicken and the cleaning of the chicken and whatnot. This is just having that part done and going forward. So I think we paid, I think it cost us like $100 to raise the birds. And I have about 100 pounds of chicken, which is really good. The average price here is about $5 a pound. So that's like $500. And then plus the broth, that's just extra. So even if you think $3, but you can't buy this stuff, let's be real. You just can't. So yeah, and you know, not everyone obviously can raise meat chickens, but if you go to your local farmer or they're on sale at the grocery store, you can definitely do this and save your carcasses. And like I said, 26 quarts from 4 birds, so that's pretty good. Anyways, it's enough rambling. I will get on with the video. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for coming by. Well, this is what I like to call the hugging cone. This is where Barry dispatches them. Then they are put in boiling water, or 140 degrees. And then this is our homemade feather plucker. It works great. Cleans all the feathers off the birds. And then I'll put them in a vinegar water solution for 30 seconds. Then just some cold water. And then I put them in ice water for their final resting spot after I have them all cleaned out. So this is the cleaning station I use. It's got an antique sink and it works really well. And of course I have backup knives. Need sharp knives for this job. So I cooked 4 birds so I could make broth and then make some canned chicken as well so I can get that into the pantry. The chicken just turned out amazing. It's just so delicious and juicy, and it's one step closer to self-sufficiency. So these are straight out of the pressure canner. Very, very hot. So then it's time to make the broth with all the carcass. So I just add carrots, celery, garlic, onions, and some of my thyme and salt and pepper. I'll put the recipe in the description. So as you can see, my stove is very busy. It's getting quite the workout. So the broth's done. Strained it, and jarring up all this good stuff. I wish you could smell it. These guys are talking to me. Pop, pop. So hot.